Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. Today is day 7 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. Give yourself a pat on the back. 1 week in the books already, that's so awesome. And today our mantra is going to be I am enough. I am enough. You are enough. So roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so we'll begin today's practice on hands and knees. We'll just warm up the spine, doing some cat and cows. So planting the hands underneath the shoulders, fingers spread wide, the knees underneath the hips. And we'll inhale, drop our belly, open our chest. Exhale, rounding the spine, moving with your breath. On your next exhale, come back to all fours. From here, we'll do some leg extensions, activating the core here. So we'll inhale, extend our right leg out long. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to nose. Let's do 3 more on this side. One more. And right away, let's take it over to the other side. Inhale, extending the left leg out long. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to nose. 3 more. Really squeeze your abs on the exhale. Last one. Let's bring it back to all fours, and we'll do that again, but this time throwing in an arm extension. So let's inhale, extend our right leg out long, and extend our left arm out long. And this time we'll bring our elbow and knee into our nose. So let's take an inhale here. Exhale. Draw everything in. 3 more. Last one. Right away, let's go over to the other side. Extend the left leg out long, extend the right arm out long. Inhale here. Exhale, draw it in. 3 more. Great job, everyone. From here, let's make our way into a downward facing dog. When you're ready, we'll inhale, lift the right leg up high. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale up high. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale up. This time, drop the right foot by the left. And we'll go over to the other side. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, back to down dog. From here, we'll do those hand walkers. So walking the hands back towards the toes. And walking them back out to plank. We'll do 5, so this is 1. 2. 3. Make sure to breathe. 4. 1 more. This time we'll stay in high plank for 10 seconds. 2 more seconds. From here, let's drop down into forearm plank. We'll hold here for 10 seconds. Three more seconds. From here, let's move into a side plank. Going over to our left side. We'll hold here for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Back to forearm plank. Another 10 seconds. We got this. 3, 2, 1. Going over to our right side. Holding for 10 seconds. Smile. We are enough. Whatever our goals are, whatever we want to accomplish, we are enough. Whatever we want to attract into our lives, we are enough. 3, 2, 1. Back to forearm plank. Hold for another 10. 3, 2, 1. Now come back to high plank. Hold here for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to downward facing dog. Great work, everyone. Take a breath here. Right away, we'll inhale. We'll do that same little sequence again. So inhale, lift our right leg up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Lower the right foot next to the left. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, drop the left foot by the right. And we'll do 5 hand walkers starting at our feet. So it's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's hold here and high plank for 10 seconds. We got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down to forearm plank. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move over to left side plank for 10. 3, 2, 1. Come back to forearm plank for 10. 3, 2, 1. Come over to our right side for 10. 3, 2, 1. Back to forearm plank for 10. 3, 2, 1. Come back to high plank for 10. We got this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to down dog. Breathe. When you're ready, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. So from here, we'll do 3 sun salutation A's. So the easy ones, placing the feet together or hip width distance apart. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, lower your knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath here. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees. Look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Let's do one more. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms. Step it back. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands to heart by your sides. Take a breath. Great work, everyone. Almost done today. We'll finish up with 2 more exercises, starting with squats. So bringing our feet as wide as the mat. Let's do 20 squats. Maybe a little extra, we'll see. So let's begin. 10, halfway there. 2 more. And let's do 10 more. We got this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work, everyone. And we'll finish off with some of those standing bicycles. So coming to the center of our mat, we'll place our hands behind our head, elbows out wide. We'll bring left knee to right elbow to start. We'll do 30. 2. 15, halfway. Keep that core engaged. 30, let's do 10 more. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Great work, everyone. Whew. Let's end this practice today with giving ourselves a nice big hug. Repeating our mantra, I am enough. You are enough. Congratulating yourself for 1 week in the books. Great work, everyone. Let's give ourselves a hug with opposite arm. 1 week. Good job, everyone. We'll bring our hands together at our heart. The light me bows to the light and all of you. I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.